2010 MacBook Pro LCD assembly replacement. Begin by shutting down and flipping over the MacBook. The back cover is attached with 10 Phillips head screws. Start with the 7 short screws first, starting at the top left and going around the contour of the MacBook. Next, the 3 long Phillips head screws. Remove the cover. Disconnect the battery before you begin. LCD assembly removal. Begin by disconnecting the Wi-Fi and the speaker cables. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are connecting the speaker to the MacBook. You can now move the speaker out of the way. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are connecting the Wi-Fi bracket. Detach the Wi-Fi cable screw. You'll need to place this onto a replacement unit. Disconnect the LVDS cable. Remove the 2 Phillips LVDS bracket screws. Now remove the bracket. You can now lift up and turn over the MacBook. Open it and hang it over the table ledge. This will make it very easy to remove the unit once the hinge has been removed. Remove the 6 T6 screws, 3 on each hinge. You can now lift up the LCD assembly. LCD assembly reinstallation. Pick up your new LCD and insert it into the MacBook. Secure each hinge with the middle screw. This will allow you to align the LCD assembly correctly. Now you can install the other 4 T6 screws, 2 more on each hinge. Lift, close, and turn over the MacBook. Reinstall the Wi-Fi cable bracket with 2 Phillips head screws. Make sure to loop the screw through the Wi-Fi cable. Place the speaker into its position. You can go ahead and reconnect the speaker to the logic board as well as the Wi-Fi cable. Secure the speaker with 2 Phillips head screws, 1 on each side. Reinstall the LVDS bracket with 2 Phillips head screws. Make sure the bracket goes over the LVDS cable. Now reconnect the LVDS cable. Be gentle, this cable is fragile. That connection can be damaged. Make sure to lock it in when you're done. reconnect the battery. Place the cover back on and secure it with 10 Phillips head screws, 7 short screws first, starting at the top left and going around the contour of the MacBook. Now the 3 long Phillips head screws in the top. Perform a NVRAM reset after this procedure. This will reset the resolution and screen brightness.